Ready to transform your home with stunning hardwood floors? At VP Wood and Stone, we specialize in expert hardwood installation that brings elegance, durability, and a timeless look to any space. Our skilled team delivers flawless craftsmanship, guiding you every step of the way, from selecting the perfect wood to the final touch. Whether you're after the warmth of rich oak or the sleek beauty of maple, we handle everything, making the process stress-free and seamless. Why choose VP Wood and Stone? Because we don't just install floors, we create spaces that last a lifetime. And with our free personalized estimates, you'll know exactly what to expect, with no surprises, just stunning results. Don't wait to make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Call us now at 720-985-4338 for your free estimate, and let our team at VP Wood and Stone bring your dream floors to life.